Hey, YouTubers, morning, Robb. Guys, every week is trash day in my neighborhood, and they throw stuff out. And I like to see what people have thrown out, and sometimes you find cool stuff. One day, I found a whole boatload of these. And I thought, what am I going to do with these? They're really nice tiles, but I was scratching my head, what am I going to do with these? Then I remembered I had this cork. One time I put some cork on a book. It worked okay, but it wasn't ideal. It's not really because it'll crack on the edges. I had to put some tape there. But what I did is I put the cork on the bottom of a little tray. Made it like a little tray for breakfast. And it's super simple. You know, bing, bang, boom. And now you can put it on this wood table and you don't scratch it up. And it makes something kind of cool, I think. I'm going to put some cork on more of these and give them to some friends and neighbors. And they can have something like this. All right, just thought I'd let you know. Eventually, people will throw out enough stuff where I can use it with other stuff that people throw out and make it into something that shouldn't be thrown out. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.